Hi you guys, thank you for watching. So for today's video, I thought I would test out the new Jaclyn Cosmetics blush and bronzer duos, as well as her pressed highlighters. When I found out she was coming out with these products, I was super excited because she's just known for her glow. She's always glowing, her highlight is always popping. So I was super eager to try out these products today because who doesn't want to glow? It's glow season. So yeah, if you guys would like to see my thoughts on these products, then go ahead and keep on. This is what the packaging looks like. I have not taken it out of the boxes yet because I wanted to open them up on camera and I've been dying to open these. I love the rose gold packaging, super pretty. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I absolutely love the black with the gold. It looks very chic and elegant. So here is the bronzer and blush duo. I picked up the shade Yummy Toffee and Stay Rosy. I was honestly overwhelmed. I didn't know which shade to pick up, but Jaclyn did post a video in IGTV on her Instagram showing her using all of the products, and this was the shade she used. She mentioned that she goes through a lot of different shades because she self-tans, as do I, so decided to pick up the same shade that she used in the video. I didn't cream contour, I didn't use any cream blush. I normally do all of those steps when I do my makeup, so needless to say, I'm very excited to warm up my face. So I do have a clean brush. I made sure to not use any of my dirty brushes. That way we could really see the color payoff and everything. I believe she said that her bronzers and blushes and highlights, they're all baked in the oven. I don't know if I'm making any sense. I swear she said oven baked in Italy. So that just sounds super yummy and luxurious. So I'm very, very excited to try this out right now. Oh wow. This is so buttery, smooth. I don't think I'm not being dramatic, I always say this, but I really have never used a bronzer that went on so smooth like this. I feel like I just put on a powder foundation. Not even powder foundations go on this smooth for me. Oh my god, that is amazing. I'm obsessed. I already know that I'm going to be using this bronzer all summer long. It's like, oh, so good. Just applying more because I'm really excited. Okay, let's try the blush now. I'm gonna go ahead and take the blush now. This is actually Jaclyn's collab with Morphe. I love this brush. I actually have two of them. I love to use this one for blush and this one for her mood light powders, which I'll get into after this. But anyways, I'm gonna take this brush and apply the blush shade, which is called Stay Rosy. I don't know how pigmented they are, so I'll start off with a little. They're so good. I love the shade of this blush and it has a beautiful sheen to it, just like the bronzer. These are not completely matte, but they're not shimmery by any means. They really just like give a glow to your skin, a natural looking glow. Okay, you guys, I know I look like a unicorn right now, but I just couldn't take my hair in my face and the little pins weren't working and my baby hairs were getting in the way and it was just really bothering me. So anyways, really love the color of this blush. It is the perfect warm rosy, hence the name, rosy pinky blush. It goes really well with my eye makeup that I have on today, and I feel like this is just a really nice shade that you're gonna get a lot of use out of. These are just stunning. I love how it comes with a mirror as well. Very, very nice mirror too. They're not a flat matte, which I absolutely love. And I did purchase two of her highlighters as well. I picked up the shade Mesmerized and then I picked up the mini size in the shade Iced. I know Iced is like her most popular shade, I believe, but I didn't want to purchase the full size because I was worried that this was going to be too light for me. So I thought it was cool that she offered this one in the mini size. I'm so excited because when she first launched her highlighters, I wasn't able to get the palette. I tried and it had sold out super quick. So when I did purchase from her first launch, I picked up her mood light powders and her loose highlighters. I absolutely love both of them, especially this mood light powder. I am obsessed with this. Again, this gives you that glow from within. So I use this every single time I do my makeup. I have mine in the shade Brighten Up and I'm gonna use the same brush but a different one because I have two of these. I love to apply this before I go in with my actual highlight. I dust this all over. So now I am gonna go in with the actual highlighters. Again, absolutely beautiful packaging. Like, this looks so classy and expensive. They feel super high quality. So the shade Mesmerized definitely is more of a peachy golden undertone, and Iced is very bright and intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Mesmerized. Oh my goodness. Wow. Also, you guys, I know my extensions are showing, so don't mind that either. I love the undertone of this. It is kind of like a peachy golden undertone. I am just going to take a tiny little bit of the shade Iced. Oh my god. Oh, that's so pretty on the inner corners. I really should be using a brush, but I'm too lazy to go get one. Oh wow. I absolutely love using highlighters for eyeshadows as well, all over the lid or in the inner corner. Really love this one for the inner corner though. If you want to glow and shine, these do not disappoint. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face so this can all melt together. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray first, because I do go in with more than one spray. Don't judge me. I like to use this one first because this really helps lock in the makeup. And now I'm gonna take my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist just to give me more of that glow. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I actually had to log on to class on my computer, so if you notice, the lighting is different. The sun has set already, so probably looks a little bit darker in here, but I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of first impressions on the new Jaclyn Cosmetics blush and bronzers, as well as her highlights. Honestly, I knew these products were going to be really good, but they just exceeded all of my expectations. They all were so bomb, so buttery. I really have never tried any bronzers or blushes like this, so I feel like they're very unique. And the highlight, I mean, that's pretty intense. It's pretty freaking good. If you love to glow, you need these products. Definitely get your hands on these if you can. I know that she just started selling these at Ulta now, which is awesome. So I feel like it's a lot more available now. So yeah, that is gonna conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.